This is YouTube Pixelnet. Okay, today I will show the guys of the Air Jordan level for women's shoes. Okay, to hold cell. You can see this is shoes box. The label. Okay. And we can see okay, then we can check out it. This is shoe toe. Shoe toe is smooth touch. The good shape. The shoelace. It's black. And the shoe tongue. Shoe tongue is very soft. The thick. And the label in third place is authentic. Okay. And the back of the shoes, we can see 23 and the red jumpman. Okay, and like this part, it's many holes, very principle, and it's very smooth touch. The middle sole is white and red. Okay, and we can check out inside of the shoes. It's label. Okay, and the insole is with a red jumpman, right? And the narrow shoes we can see it's the same, also fashionable and high quality. Okay, then we can check out the bottom of the shoes. This part is black and red, many stripes and very clean. It's really good stuff. Okay. How do you think these shoes? Do you like that? If you have any questions in these shoes, you can contact me and I will reply you as soon as quickly. Thank you for your watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.